In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add videos inside text in Canva so you can create eye-catching animated typography for your thumbnails, intros, social posts, or presentations. This effect makes your text look dynamic and professional, and the best part is you can do it directly inside Canva with no advanced design skills required. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll walk you through every step clearly so you can follow along. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Canva tips and tricks. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to understand is that you cannot directly place a video inside normal text in Canva. If you just type text using the text tool, Canva treats it as editable text, not as a shape that can hold media. So to make this effect work, we need to turn each letter into a frame. And the easiest way to do that is by using Canva's letter frames feature. Start by opening your Canva design. This can be any size, whether it's a YouTube thumbnail, Instagram post, presentation slide, or custom dimensions. Once you're inside your design, go to the left-hand toolbar and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, type in Letter Frames and press Enter. You'll see individual letters from A, B, C, all the way through the alphabet, and each one acts as a frame, just like a photo frame. Now drag the letters you need onto your page one by one. For example, if you want to spell the word play, you'll drag P, then L, then A, then Y. Position them next to each other and resize them so they align properly. You can use Canva's alignment guides to keep everything straight and evenly spaced. Take a moment here to adjust the size and layout so your word looks exactly how you want it. Once your word is formed using letter frames, it's time to insert the video inside the text. Go to the left toolbar again and click on Videos. Here, you can either choose from Canva's stock video library or upload your own video by going to the Upload section and adding your file. To place the video inside a letter, simply drag the video over one of the letter frames. As soon as you hover over it, you'll see the frame highlight. Drop the video and it will automatically clip inside the shape of that letter. It's that simple. Repeat this step for each letter in your word. You can use the same video for every letter or use different videos in each one for a more creative effect. If you want to adjust how the video appears inside a letter, just double-click on the letter frame. This allows you to reposition the video within the shape. You can drag it left, right, up, or down to focus on a specific part of the footage. When you're happy with the positioning, just click outside the frame to apply the changes. If you'd like all the letters to show the exact same portion of the video seamlessly, here's a quick tip. Duplicate the same video for each letter and carefully align the positioning so it looks continuous across the word. This creates a really impressive cinematic effect where the video flows smoothly through the entire text. You can also enhance the design further by adding a background color, gradient, or even another video behind the text. Just make sure your letter frames stay on top by arranging the layers properly using the Position tool in the top toolbar. Once everything looks good, click Share in the top right corner, then Download. If your design includes video animation, make sure you download it as an MP4 video file so the motion inside the text stays animated. And that's it. That's how you add videos inside text in Canva using letter frames. It's a simple trick, but it instantly upgrades your designs and makes your content stand out. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.